welcome back to the channel. Midwest is best. We're up here at a flip house we're working on up here in KCK. We just wanted to show you a quick little overview of the house. We're about 20% through the remodel right now. We got quite a bit of work to do. We just demoed, did a little bit of drywall. My electrician, which is my buddy, is actually here right now doing a little bit of work. And let's go inside and check it out. So sorry about the light. We do not have the power on. That's why the electrician is here. Andy, hey, wave the camera. That's our buddy electrician Andy. So if you come on in here, this is a 2-bed, 1-bath little house. Was supposedly 3-bedroom, but this isn't quite really a bedroom. So I just made this into a little office / playroom. I widened this doorway here to put like a barn door over here. And yeah, just kind of extend it right into the living room, make it all one room. Sorry about the mess everywhere, by the way. Pretty much demolition everywhere. So this is the bathroom here. Complete demoed right now, as you can see. We're gonna go all full new everything in here. You know, new toilet, new vanity, all new walls, shower, flooring, everything. Everything's gonna read out pretty much everywhere. These are the other 2 bedrooms here. Here we've got original hardwood floors, so we're going to be refinishing all of those, and then pretty much paint and knockdown texture is going to be going over all the walls. Same thing in this room here. We got a little bit of drywall damage over there too. We had to cut out and replace. So yeah, these rooms we pretty much just got to knock down texture the walls, paint them, and then we'll pull up this carpet after that and refinish all the hardwoods underneath. We got hardwoods underneath this whole living room as well here. And then this room in here is the kitchen. And this here we did quite a bit of changes to. The original kitchen was here, sink here. This hole was not here, this was just a wall. And now we're going to make the kitchen over there. So now the sink's going to be right below that window. Cabinets running all along there. Over here we'll just have a bar top that'll kind of connect it all to the living room. Hey guys, what's up? We're up here at this flip house at KCK. We just wanted to show you, this is the back here. This is the garage they got here in the back. It's kind of covered in all kinds of overgrown brush and stuff. So here, one of these days when we got a little bit warmer maybe, we're gonna come out here, clear off all this brush, get it cleaned up. We'll get a nice little video for you. If you pan around over here, we got a whole little city park right behind the house. So no houses being built back here. It's kind of cool. Got your own little nice little view. Up here in KCK. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. So I realized I didn't give you any of the numbers in the intro, so I wanted to give you some numbers on this flip house. I purchased this house for $25,000, and we figure it's gonna need probably at least 10 grand or so in material costs and everything. Maybe a little bit of labor that I'm gonna hire out, but I'm gonna do most of it myself. So it should be right around 40 grand for the all-in cost, between like some financing costs and holding costs and everything. So right around 40 grand, and we should be able to sell it for at least 65 grand or so. And I'm a real estate agent, so I'll list it myself and save the commission there. I will have to pay 3% to the buyer's agent if there's another buyer's agent brings the buyer to me. But besides that, that's about my only other cost involved. So it should make at least 20-25 grand on the deal, which isn't a super deal, but it's not bad for the amount of capital needed to do the deal. Buying the house for only 25 grand, it's pretty good profit on a 25 grand purchase. So here in the video, you can see we're just doing a little bit of electrical stuff. My buddy Andy, he's installing a outlet right now. He came out, he's checking all the electrical out, making sure it's all safe and good to go. And then we're going to install a bunch of can lights here in a couple days. So we'll be back over there, probably make a video about that, installing some can lights and getting all the electrical done. But pretty much we just checked out the electrical this day, did a few things, put in a few outlets, and that was about it. So we have quite a bit of projects to do on this house. I just want to kind of give you guys a list of things we're going to do so you have an idea of future videos to come out, and hopefully you are interested in some of the things we're doing and
can either learn from them or just kind of be entertained by watching us do it. So here in the kitchen, we're going to be, redoing everything. So on that side where the hole is at, we're putting in a bar top there, probably 2 bar stools sitting there, 2 can lights up above. So that'd be a cool little bar to sit at that you can kind of watch the TV in the living room from the kitchen. We changed this whole kitchen around just for a lot of reasons. It just didn't really make sense the way it was. So now the sink's going to be on the left side underneath the window, and then we'll have a whole row of cabinets over on that side, and then we'll have plenty of room for a dining table up near these windows on the front side, and then the bar over there. We got a full bathroom remodel to do, lots of drywall and repair. We're doing a knockdown texture over all of the walls, not in this room, the kitchen, because it's got like a wood on it, but all the rest of the walls that are drywall, we're doing a knockdown texture over that, and then painting. And then outside, we got all that brush to clear out in the back and around the garage, and a couple of tree limbs that need to be cleaned up and stuff. So we got quite a bit of stuff to do on this house still. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that ring notification bell so you're notified when we do come out with these new videos we're coming out with. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.